It's a Czechoslovakian folk song. And like I say, it takes two conductors to do it. This year, I get the honor of being up here. Mr. Frank and I take turns either being front, and actually, I love being down where he is because I get to conduct strings for the first time in a long time. We want to thank you all one more time for coming, and we hope you enjoyed this finale. This is Village Festival. And after we're done, you may come down and visit us downstairs. We'd love to see you.
We want to thank you for being a very appreciative audience. We're really proud of your children. We hope you are too. Please remember next week is conference week. If any of you would like to have a conference with us, you can email us. There's request forms. We would love to talk to you about that. I also want to list a couple of dates for our upcoming concerts with the older students. The first one, March 29th.